Hi everybody, it's Lorie from Dees, and today we are going to make a new fun sunflower door hanger. So this is a really cute sunflower. It has the grapevine base with the yellow in it, and we are going to put this beautiful stem with these adorable zinnias in that mixture of colors. It has that little extra greenery. You know how I love the mix of textures. You're gonna get your ribbon. Of course, I've cheated a little bit and I've already made this bow. So you can always follow us on YouTube and see exactly how to make this cute little bow. And you're gonna get your ladybug pick. So to start out, you're just gonna wanna trim a little bit of your stem off of your stem. And we're gonna dip it here in this glue because I always like to dip on these paper stems just to make sure that they don't unravel and they stay nice together. So we're gonna fluff that up a little bit. We're gonna go in here and we're gonna take our bow that we've got made and we're gonna add this right in here to our stem. Twist that nice and tight around the back. And then we are going to just go in and wire this right to our sunflower. So you can pick what location you want your piece to be added to. I was gonna kind of just go off here because I like the tails hanging down. So you can glue it, but I always like to wire. And we are going to cut my ribbon right in there. Get that out of there. Okay, we're gonna pull this nice and tight right up in here. And again, I'm just twisting it. I just twist my wire just like a bread tie, real easy. And we're gonna trim off this excess in here. And then you just wanna go back and fluff up your ribbons. Trim your tail. I always manage to leave some tails that have not been trimmed. So that's real important. Make sure you get those tails trimmed. There's another one here. Okay, and then you can just perk your ribbon up however you would like. The wired ribbons are great because they just keep their form so pretty. And how cute and happy is that? And last but not least, we have our cute little felty ladybug. What's a sunflower without a ladybug? I've been seeing lots of ladybugs at my house, and do you know they say a ladybug in your house is lucky? So we're gonna tuck this right in here with a little bit of glue. It is on a wire, so you can kind of bend him out so he can be dimensional, or her. And how cute is this for a door hanger? So check this out. It's shopdeeslouisville.com. See you again soon.